Hey guys, and this is the OnePlus 80 versus iPhone 11 versus Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, Xiaomi Mi 10 and OnePlus 8 Extreme Battery Drain Comparison. So the iPhone 11 features 3110 mAh battery with HD Plus resolution, the 80 has 4500 mAh battery, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE also features 4500 mAh battery, Xiaomi Mi 10 got a huge 4780 mAh massive battery, and the OnePlus 8 has 4300 mAh battery. All these have 1080p resolution, and I'll be using 60Hz display for a fair comparison cause some of these features 90Hz, some features 120Hz, and iPhone has 60Hz, which is a shame. This video took me 9 continuous hours, so would really appreciate if you give a like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. By the way, I'm giving away 2 Amazon gift vouchers worth $10 each, that's 730 INR. So a little you have to do is like this video, subscribe my channel, comment your thoughts and follow us on Twitter. Yeah, I'll be picking random comment confirming his Twitter profile by the end of this month. Now kicking things with 2 hours of Asphalt 9 gaming test, and the battery drain do depends on CPU, like OnePlus and Xiaomi got Qualcomm's 865 flagship silicon, S20 FE has Exynos 990 CPU and iPhone 11 has A13 Bionic. So let's see. So after this heavy gaming session, battery left is 68%, highest on iPhone 11 thanks to its low resolution display, 62% on 80, 65% second highest on the S20 FE, 62% on Xiaomi Mi 10 and 58% on the OnePlus 8. Now 3 continuous hours of YouTube at 1080p 60 fps, let's go. So after this, the battery left is 36%, not so highest on iPhone, 38% on 80, 30% on S20 FE, yet was shocking blow, 41% highest on the Xiaomi Mi 10 and 33% on the OnePlus 8. So you see how cards turned. Now 1 hour Google Chrome browsing and stuff. I personally use Chrome a lot, so let's see how much it drains. So now the battery left is 26% on iPhone, 30% on the OnePlus 8T, 21% lowest on S20 FE, 35% on the Xiaomi Mi 10 maintaining its highest score, and finally 25% on the OnePlus 8. Now biggest image sharing social platform Instagram, and make sure to follow us on Insta for some sneak peek and amazing content. So after this, the battery left is 19% on iPhone 11, 24% second highest on 80, 15% on S20 FE, 31% on Xiaomi Mi 10 again highest, and 20% on the OnePlus 8. Now final video camera usage at 1080p 60 fps till the dead. So guys, the results are out and the S20 FE first to leave this game at 7 hours 51 minutes. Exynos is doing an amazing job holding this device back in competition. The iPhone 11 was next with smallest 3110 mAh battery. It went 8 hours 10 minutes. The OnePlus 8 went down next at 8 hours 14 minutes, a decent job done. Next was its brother 8T at 8 hours 24 minutes, an amazing job I would say. And finally the king with maxed out 4780 mAh battery, Xiaomi Mi 10 at 8 hours 56 minutes. So this is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to enter giveaway, like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.